What's up, guys? Welcome back. We out here at Slow Lane Customs. We're gonna start the LS swap on Julio C10. So here goes the engine we're gonna use. It's a 6.0 coming off this 2003 Denali with the 4L80E, all going into that 83 C10 over there. Pretty clean truck. Right now we're just gonna take the engine out, give it a little cleanup, probably add some good parts here and there, make it go faster. We don't know, we'll see. Right now we're going like with mechanics and take the engine out. Engine done made you cry? Here. What you say? So we out here at the farm. We came to pick up the backhoe, that tractor we're gonna use to put the engine out because we ain't got no engine hoist. Yeah. Anthony was so excited that he put his shirt on backwards to come and help. Well, got bad news. Everything at the shop is wet because of the flood. Julio's mad. I'm mad. Anthony's mad.
Not like that. The only thing that I worry about is just my cat.
The cat kind of helped. So, good, man.
But still, baby, what thought we get the water going.
We're gonna go check the shop, see if anything got wet.
Can I bring
If there is, I mean, what can we do about it? We do got bad news. We left the engine outside, transmission.
And my cat don't know how to swim, so we're gonna bring her inside.
They gonna be wet, dude.
They are?
A little bit.
Okay.
Huh? You gonna wear them or?
Yeah, I wear them.
Can I wear these?
So we're gonna go check, see what all got wet. No good.
So I'll show y'all around. Make Marco give his boots on. So yeah, so this is how it looks right now. Then this is the hall going for the bag in there. Oh, we're gonna go check inside of it. The garage check is empty as well. Ah, me is dirty. Use this, man. I'm recording it.
Damn, the hood for the Denali.
That.
You got it? Yeah, I got it.
Oh, let's go. Well, like, where the keys are here.
Damn. Pick that up.
The hammer?
That ain't. Well, watch it because it's still gonna get scratched. Well, I mean, most of this stuff. Oh shit, man. Damn, the center console, my toolbox. All these tools. Be alright, man. Well, the shop is underwater.
There you go. Look my bed. Look. Soaking wet.
We try to save everything we could.
In the camera.
Camera was on the table, good thing.
Yeah, like now Marco would have. Woo, he would be
I'm that type
mad.
of person, I like to leave everything laying around. Boy,
Yeah, so we can take the camera.
it's gonna be a little
Check if it
setback,
works.
but we're gonna come back harder than ever.
Ooh. Got the cat.
Yeah, anything funny say this cat?
Talking about 100 years.
Had to leave the truck at work.
That's what's wrong when you get a drop truck.
had
You
to
think we
bring
didn't drop my old
pumpkin
school,
with us.
man?
For real?
They just think about if we would have dropped my old school.
It would have been flooded.
And we gotta bring pumpkin with us too.
Yo.
Margaret told me to throw this shit in the back and they started going everywhere.
Damn, my bad. I was just saying, I think you were afraid because of the smell.
It's a little sort of thing.
It'll fit in here.
We know we will, but I mean.
I was just worried about the smell.
Yeah, me too.
Guys, I had to leave my black truck at work due to the flood. It doesn't flood at work. I hope not. I ain't gonna be able to drive it nowhere around town. They said it's flooded. Shit crazy.
Michael, you'll see it. Trust me, you'll see.
I'm hungry, haven't ate, been to work all day.
Well, I haven't eaten nothing either. Shit. Been over here trying to see what the hell.
Yeah, it's 1 o'clock. Shit sad. But there's nothing we could do. See, I stay positive.
Now, wait
Over
till you
the
see this
beds.
over here, man.
Wow, dang, that is crazy.
You know?
Look at these roads, man.
You know?
Yeah, we ain't seen this shit in a
I
long
Yeah.
ain't
Right
never
there?
seen this.
Especially right here, that big ditch
Yeah,
right
no,
there.
I told you when I seen that bitch fall out, yeah, this shit serious.
Bro,
Look
that
at
thing.
all these neighborhoods right here.
Dang.
All these neighborhoods right here. They're
Big truck
flooded.
trying to go.
All these neighborhoods.
He in a hurry, he can go.
He probably don't know what the roads look like.
Shit, he gonna find out. All the trash, man, look, don't fucking litter. That's why I look.
Yeah, that's why you ain't supposed to litter, guys.
Yeah, damn, that shit look nasty.
Look at that
Shit,
basketball.
we're the same way too, and we left everything outside the shop.
I mean, well, that was my house. I mean, that's from the fucking ditches and shit.
No,
Yeah,
but look.
sad.
Look at that
Damn.
truck. Truck trying to pass. Poking over here making a mess.
And I'm mad. Look at that old school. Still rolling, man. They see them old school ain't shit. Look at them.
Shit. That old school is running, bro, but like your old school don't run.
Yo.
He ain't have to say all that shit now.
Oh, my bad. I'm trying to make the YouTube now. Trash plans. Well, this truck does roll, but not on cold though.
With friends like that, I don't need no enemies.
Yeah, with a son like that, you don't need nobody around you.
That's why I don't give a fuck what nobody think about me, because my little boy already tells me. Hopefully he joke around with me.
I do be joking around though.
But yeah, shit bad.
Look, that car's stuck, I think. These houses ain't flooded.
Yeah, I was gonna tell you, you wouldn't go through there.
No?
No, look at the big truck slow the fuck down.
Yeah, he was on. So we're back at the shop, guys, working on the truck. We had a little flood, kind of hurt my feelings. We didn't get much damage. Only thing damaged was like some tools. I had a cluster floating underwater. I just got it over here. Got the cluster sitting out here, see if it dries up a little bit. But it's humid, like terrible hot. And well, I mean, like I was saying, well, we really didn't get much stuff damaged. We had like a bag full of power tools. That doesn't work. I had a battery pack that I had just bought. Let me show you. We had a bag with all these tools that all these tools were sitting in. All these right here got damaged. This battery pack right here, brand new, and doesn't work no more. Still got water in there. See? But yeah. The shop is a mess. Terrible. Most of this stuff got wet, but I kind of saved it. Here's the progress on the truck. We finally got the dash pad in. I'm right now plugging everything up. I forgot to mention earlier, guys, the engine did get wet also. It was underwater, but we're gonna rebuild it, so I mean it's okay. So transmission, it got wet, it got underwater, but everything's gonna get rebuilt before Julio installs it to his C10, so we're kind of okay about that. But yeah, I forgot to mention that, guys, so just letting y'all know. Boy, it's hot. I had to take some parts out that my dad needs. Since it's Father's Day around the corner, I want to be nice and donate him this handle. Donate him these handles he needs for his truck. So I'm about to finna get out the shop, finna go home and go install these parts. It's too hot out here, so hopefully it's cool at the house. But I'll catch y'all and get to the house, guys. Alright guys, here goes my dad's truck. It's a 2005 GMC Sierra. I got my mechanic Julio here about to help me change these parts. As you see,
That looks fat.
this handle right here is broke. You gotta hold it right here to open it. Little easy process. Came off the part truck. And it matches too. Look.
Barely. Oh, it does.
Yeah.
It does.
I should let them have all of them.
Yeah. From 4 now?
Yeah. We're also gonna replace this one. I got it back here somewhere. Right there. So as y'all see, we had to use a plier to open the hood up, but we got the hood latch right here. Boom. This one's broken, and this the new one. Well, there you got it, guys. We blessed my dad with some new handles. Now he's gonna be able to open his hood with no problem. His passenger door, well, not his passenger door, but his door in the back rear with no problem. He's also gonna be able to open up the tailgate with no problem. So there you got it. That'll be it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and continue watching. I'll catch y'all next video.